Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add blue neon outlines in CapCut. Select your video and go to effects and go to video effects. You can either use the neon outline in Party or the one in Comic, but I'm just going to choose this one for now. I'm just pressing the checkmark button here, and after that, I'm going to try to see if I can make this black and white by going to filter and adding the black and white. Okay, we're just going to add in that filter. So let me just go back and show you. Filters, black and white 3, and press the check mark button, like so. Then you are going to export this. Then you're going to go back, delete this, and also delete the effect, like so. And then I'm going to actually open up the black and white kind of overlay. And I'm going to be adding a blue color to it. So go to overlay, and add this, like so. Then go to splice, and you are going to choose burn or color burn. Press the check mark button. Make sure you add it till the end of the video, by the way. And you're going to, again, export that. Go back to the original video, and you're going to add in that video that we just exported as an overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay. You're just going to add this video in. Go to splice, and again we are going to choose either lighten or filter for this. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!